Hi, Patrick here, and this quick short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your lead products into your hosting so that your subscribers or your customer can download your product. Okay, and this apply to any kind of products that you want your subscribers or your customers to download from you. So let's say this is the lead product here. It could be any name here, but in this case, it's called List Building ebook. First, you got to right click and then choose this feature called send to, and click on compress. What you're doing is that you are basically zipping up the file to be uploaded. All right, done. Okay, now you're going to log into your hosting. Okay, so I'm going to go into my hosting. You will type your domain name /cpanel, your domain name /cpanel, and you will redirect to this page. And when you're here, just enter your password. Sorry, just enter your username and password. Log in. Alright, okay, so when you're here right now, you look for File Manager. And when you see this, you just go ahead and say go. Now, by the way, if you see this video is going too fast for you, you can always pause and rewind and watch it again, okay? Now, once you're inside your hosting, if you see here public_html, which means that if you upload the file right now, it will go onto your public_html folder. I'm just going to do both of the example to show to you, okay? Now, let's say I'm going to upload it here. I'll click upload and choose file. And the file is at, okay, alright, this is the file that I've zipped up earlier, correct? Go ahead and click, and now it will start to upload for me. Okay, it's 16% right now, 33%, and so on. So just wait until the recording is finished. Now, sometimes you do not see this uploading percentage, depends on your internet browser. Like right now, I'm using the latest Chrome. So what you should just need to see, not really here, but look at here. Once it's finished, it will say that it's completed. Still uploading right now. Okay, alright, so now it's completed. Sorry for this internet connection that is showing right now. It's blocking this time of the view here. But anyway, it is done. Now, which means that I have now uploaded it at operationquickmoney.com / the file name. So if I want to download this file, it will be at, let me just go to Google first. Okay, it will be at operationquickmoney.com / listbuildingebook.zip. Why listbuildingebook.zip? Because that is the file name that I named it earlier. So if I click enter right now, it will start to download the file name. See that? This is downloading right now. Okay, so which means if you want to give the download link for someone to download your ebook, in this case the ebook, the file, you will just give the URL is operationquickmoney.com. Let me just type it here. No, I'm just gonna open up a Microsoft Word file to show to you easily. So you should give your domain name. In my case, it's operationquickmoney.com / listbuildingebook.zip. This would be the URL you give. Okay, and of course, you're not going to give operationquickmoney.com. You're going to replace this with your own domain name and then the file name. Now, don't try this when you're watching this video because I would have already removed the file away. So you're not going to be able to download anything from this URL. Alright? Okay, let me show you another example. Now, this is the first example. The other example is that if you want to keep all of your download files in a particular folder, that's what I do for easier management in terms of housekeeping in your hosting. So let me just go back to the cPanel here. I can close this already because it has already completed. Close this. This is just Google. Okay, now this is under public underscore HTML, right? So in the future, if I want to let my subscribers or my customers to download files, I don't want to put all under this path, because then I will end up to have like a lot of files here, right? So what I'll do is that I'll create a new folder, and I like to use the folder name download. This is for my reference. Create new folder. Okay, and then I'll look at the download folder here that I just created. Now notice here, once I click this, right, go ahead and click this, and then you see that it goes into public underscore slash download folder. See, this folder is now empty, and this is where I want to put all of my files. Okay, I want to put all my files here. Reason is that it's easy for me in the future that every time I want to let someone to download something, it's always operationquickmoney.com/download. With that said, let me just go ahead and repeat the same process. Click upload, choose file. I'm going to upload the same file here, and then it repeats the same process. Okay, just wait for a while for it to upload the entire file. Okay, just a few more seconds to go. Okay. So what I'm doing right now, I'm now uploading the file under my domain name /download. So earlier I was I uploaded it to public HTML folder. So now it finished. Okay. So now if I want to let someone to download my file, then the download link would no longer be this, but it would be www.operationquickmoney.com/download/list building ebook.zip. Let me just make this big so that you can see. Okay, operationquickmoney.com. Now the difference, there's a folder called download, and this is where I will put all my files inside for my prospects or my clients to download, so that it doesn't mess up in terms of housekeeping, that all the files will be under this extension. So let me just prove to you that this thing works. I'm going to right click and copy this link. So let's say if I want you to download this file, let's say you are my prospect or my customers, I want to give you this file, I'll just give you this link here. And when you go and let me just close this first. Okay, if you see, once I click the link, it will start download here, alright? And this is just by using Chrome. Enter. See, the file starts downloading. Okay, which means now if I want to give you this file, I'll just give you the URL. That's it, finish. Now the final part that I want to share with you here is that if you use a add-on domain for your hosting, okay, so let's go back here again. Let's go back to the root level, which is the public HTML. Click here. Okay, so this is your public HTML folder. Now if you have a add-on domain name, it will appear, the domain name will appear here. So in this case, in my case, the add-on domain name here is called Fast Cash Series. So if I want to upload any files onto fastcashseries.com instead of operationquickmoney.com, what I do is that I'll click on this folder, and then I can upload the files here. If I upload the files here, it will appear at where? It will appear at fastcashseries.com/filename.zip. Or I could do the same thing where I can create a folder, which I'm going to do that right now. New folder, call download, same process. Now do note that this final example that I'm showing to you would not be related to you if you do not use add-on domain. Okay, alright, so click download, and then I'm going to repeat the same process. Upload the file, choose, list building ebook, and it starts to upload. I'm going to close this right now. Now, let me say this again. I'm using Chrome as my internet browser. So depending on whether you're using Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Chrome, of course you will see the so-called interface here differently, okay? Alright, so it's uploading. It's going to complete soon. Okay, 96, and ta-da! It's completed right now. Alright, so now if I want to download this file, it will be at www.fastcacheseries.com. Why fastcacheseries.com? Because this is the add-on domain name that I'm using, and this is where I uploaded the file onto. /download, because this is the folder that I created earlier, /list building ebook.zip. Okay, so now this would be the URL that I'll give to my prospect or my customers if I want them to download the file from my add-on domain name path, or should I say extension. Let's try that again. I'm going to go ahead and right click, copy, and go here again, right, and then I'm going to right click, paste, and once I click enter, it will start download. See that? It's downloading the process again. So that's basically how you upload your files, and that's how you provide the download link to your prospect customers in the download page if you're putting in a download page, or just give them the download URL in the email that you send to them. Alright, this is Patric Chan here, and I hope that you managed to understand the process of uploading files. And like I said earlier, this applies to anything, whether it's an audio files, whether it's a PDF, and so on. All you need to do is you just need to zip up that particular file. This is what I mean by zip out the file. Okay, this is the PDF. You just need to zip it out. Okay, then you can just upload the zip file to give to your what's the word, to your prospects or to your mailing list. Now, if you have any further questions, now feel free to contact us at www.help-care.com. Okay, and of course, contact us if after you have watched the video and you still don't understand. Okay, Patrick here, and I look forward to talk to you again. Take care.